Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel MJ Manjari. In today's video, we are going to see how to participate in Har Ghar Tiranga 2026 step by step. So now let's see in detail. So first thing is the website. So website is hartiranga.com. So as you can see on the screen, so I've already given the link in the description as well as in the comment section of this video. Once you click on it, it will take you to this website where it's clearly written Har Ghar Tiranga, which has started on 9th August and it will end on 17th August. So it's a national movement to honor the freedom fighter whose courage and sacrifice shaped India's freedom. So here you need to go scroll down here, and here as you can see three parts are there: host, flag, sing Vande Mataram, and upload a selfie. So here different steps are given. So first step, you need to enter your detail like your name, mobile number, country or state. Then second step, you need to upload or click the photograph of hosting Tiranga. Then third step, you need to upload that picture, and lastly you can download the certificate. So you can download certificate in two format. And if you want to learn Vande Mataram, how to sing exact line to line, so here is the 5-step tutorial is also given. First listen to Vande Mataram, then see the narration and pronunciation, then you can do line by line rehearsal, and then core or solo practice you can do, and lastly is karaoke singing. So here these are the two given, and here as you can see different guidelines are also given. How to host a flag, the correct way to host a flag. Tiranga can now stay hosted day and night. There is a change in flag hosting guideline. And here Har Tiranga Twitter accounts are there for different who have already uploaded. So now let's see how to participate. So here first again you need to go on, you can go on top also upload a selfie, or here also as you can see. So now let's click on upload a selfie. So the first step where you need to enter your detail. So now I will enter my detail here. Once you enter your detail, additional information will come like your state, district, block or gram panchayat. So just enter all those detail here. Now let's click on upload selfie. So now here as you can see you are getting two options. Either you can browse the file or you can click photograph. So now I am going to click on browse file because I have already clicked the photograph. So now as you can see here, you will get your photograph here and national song Vande Mataram, and by that you just click on submit, and before that it's also written I authorize the use of my picture on the portal. So if it's done, you just click on submit button. Now as you can see you got certificate of appreciation, and here your photo will come which you have uploaded, and national song Vande Mataram, your name. So this is a successful participation as well as you got the certificate of appreciation for participating in this Har Ghar Tiranga 2026. You can download the certificate by clicking here or you can share it as well, and you can download the video also if you want. Here the video and here is the certificate. So you have got two things, video as well as certificate. So these were the complete information about Har Ghar Tiranga 2026. Try to participate in this wonderful program before last day, which is 17th August. If you found this information useful, please like the video, hype the video, share it with other fellows and subscribe to the channel for more CBSE update, school notification and teacher vacancy. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.